why the 21-day detox is such a good start for that fatty liver.
So when I started the 21-day detox, it was really all about organ detoxification. But I had a publisher that literally wanted me to make the New York Times bestseller. And the way to do that is to talk about weight loss so you can see something visual. You can actually see weight loss. You can't see your liver repairing. You can't see your colon repairing. You can't see your heart and your vascular system repairing. But what really happens when you do a detox, it literally repairs your liver and your kidneys and your pancreas and your colon at a very rapid rate. And that's what happens because we're talking about over 18 to 20 different nutrients going into your cellular space very quickly. And when it does that, it's all like the nanotechnology, science that we're talking about. It allows the liver to detox out the chemicals, and that allows you to put more good nutrients in it. And that's the reason why fatty liver is able to be resolved. And that's the reason why your kidney can go from stage 3 to stage 1. And that's why your heart can quiet down and stop the arrhythmias and so many other things. And people who had pylori H, and they had so many gut issues, and they don't have them anymore after they do the detox. I mean, I could get 15 different symptoms on why someone had gut issues, and after they do the detox, is because nutrients are so powerful. Detoxing removes the bad stuff, the nutrients put the good stuff in, and that's all our body wants from us. It wants real nutrients. It has never wanted chemicals. And that's what most people are doing, and they don't understand the benefits of nutrients. The super detox, I love that stuff. The probiotics and the enzymes, those are my day to day. Even without having a chronic condition, I do super detox, probiotics, and enzymes, and I do glucose every now and then, like for a week or two, because sometimes I'm human, just like you. I'll overdo the carbs and the sugar, but I will do good sugar, but it's still sugar, right? And our bodies don't need as much sugar as we're giving it. So continue to do the detox 21 days. And by the way, just so you know, I didn't arbitrarily come up with 21 days. It takes 21 days to literally detox all of your organs. You literally have a new cellular system in 21 days. And with that being said, castor oils are good and bitter greens are good for your liver. I do dandelions all the time, and I have lots of jokes to tell you about dandelions on how they spray it and try to get rid of it from our country. I have a love affair with arugula and mustard greens and collard greens and all of these things. But I also know that it alkalizes our body and it puts minerals in our body, and the nutrient absorption that comes from the enzymes and the probiotics that we take. That's called prevention for many chronic diseases.